Hello, I'm Edward from Obsidian Control Systems. We're here at ISE 2026. We're going to take a look at some of our Netron installation products. So we've got lots of different products in the installation series, depending on what your needs are. So we've got our button panels here. These button stations, you can connect multiple using one of our splitter boxes, and they connect back to our EN12i. So here's the front and here's the back of the unit. So this is a 12 universe Ethernet to DMX gateway, and it can have 99 queues stored on it, which can then be triggered from the button panels. But as well as that, we've also got our DIN rail series. So we've got our DMX and RDM splitters, 6-port DMX RDM splitters, and then also 6 universe Ethernet to DMX gateways as well. And they come with 2 different connector types in the box, so you can just fit the connectors you need. We've then got our little single universe version as well, the EP1D, and we've also got our 2410V, so this is our 0 to 10 volt controller. All of the network devices can be powered over our NS8 network switch, and we're showing that here with our DIN rail mount, so it can be installed permanently as well. If you've got any questions, please head to obsidiancontrol.com.